Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Powered by LEVI'S.
Okay, 4, 3, 2, episode 12. Where we at?
We at this beautiful soccer field called Arizona Soccer Field. It's in Decatur, Georgia, over between Edgewood, Toombs Elementary School. This beautiful field behind us. And basically, what they did was they did gentrification, and they built a soccer field, and it's booming.
It's $1 million operation. True. For real, in real life. There's a lot of kids, so we can't just be randomly filming kids to show you, but you can get an idea. I'll get some B-roll. I'll put it in right here. Boom, boom, boom. You get to see what's going on. But on this special, beautiful, and exciting episode,
Episode
12 of Dropping Off Jackets, that's Will.
This is my homeboy Kahlil.
And guess what? We're here to drop off another one.
Yes.
Now, our special guest today, how long have you known?
Maybe 20 years.
About 20 years.
20.
That's about how long I know.
I've been like about 20 years.
Yeah, that's about how long I know.
Yes.
So, I guess, how do you introduce? How do you do this?
This is a different one. He's an outstanding scholar. Very smart, picky, articulate, but I get it. He loves sports, very teachable, knowledgeable, going into a lot of different fields. Got a great GPA, and
You proud of him?
something like that. You know what I'm
I'm
saying?
proud of him.
I mean, yeah. I mean, he's a good guy.
He's a fly guy.
He's a fly. He's
He's the fly guy.
There you go.
Yeah.
Fly guy.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, to no further ado, Malachi, step into the frame. This is Malachi.
How you doing?
This is the future. This is my nephew. I'm Big Ump. I was around when he wasn't around. So that, I can do whatever I want to him. You better not mess with him, though. True. I'm gonna let him talk. I'm gonna let him tell you a little bit about the future, since he is the future. True. You know, go ahead and tell him what you're doing, your major, your IGs.
Tell him about yourself.
Tell him about yourself.
Talk your poppin'.
I'm Malachi, also known as Kai. Some people call me T, but I am a sophomore, going to be a junior at Alabama A&M, a biology major, also a member of RTC, and also a former collegiate athlete, so Division I collegiate athlete. The future, I really don't know what the future holds. Just trying my best to stay ahead of it.
That's right.
That's really
Good, man. We proud of you, Malachi, man.
it. Thank you.
So, how do they reach you, man? How do you? I don't know what they doing. You guys IGing you on Facebook? Is that the graveyard to y'all, man?
IG, I'm YB._CHI. Again, YB._CHI. That's where I'm mostly at.
Nice. Well, I tell you, Will, this has been a pure pleasure. Not just getting here, but staying here. True. Not just raising this young man, but
True.
seeing him through.
Yeah.
And now, with no further ado, let them know what we do.
So basically, we got this jacket. We special design, sponsored by Levi's.
LEVI'S.
And it's dope jacket, dope concept. So no further ado, Malachi Gilbert, this is your special designer Levi jacket. Open it up. You know what I'm saying? Open it up. You got to pop it. I do that. You know what I'm saying? Levi jacket, double stitch. Help me out. Nah, man, you gotta put it on, man. You gotta put it on, man. You gotta pop it. You know what I'm saying? Pop it. Got a little floss style. Little
Oh, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen.
bit. You see your name on it?
Boom.
Oh yeah.
I stand corrected.
Yeah.
On this exciting, beautiful, and decadent episode of Dropping Off Jackets, episode 12. That's 1-2. Malachi Gilbert, the future.
Man, put it on, man. Put the bag on too.
It's a perfect fit. As always, it's a perfect fit. He gonna put the cross back over it. You know how the youth do. Boom, boom.
You know what I'm saying? Put the drip on. Put the drip on.
Oh, yeah.
It's Malachi Gilbert.
There it is. Another perfect fit. Dropping off jackets. Anything to say on the outgoing?
On that name tag, man.
Oh, yeah. You gotta show them, man. It's spelled right, too, right?
First and last.
Spelled right.
Yes,
It's spelled
sir.
correctly.
Always.
You wanna know how I know that? Because I was there. All right, let's close him out. On this beautiful episode of Dropping Off Jackets, that is Will. This is Kahlil. That's Malachi, the fly guy.
That's right.
We're coming to you on the next episode. We're never gonna stop doing this, so get used to seeing us. If you see me and Will coming,
We got chaps.
man, I'm trying to tell
got
you,
jacket.
you might just be
We
getting
got
the jacket.
merch. We
You
got
just
hats.
might be getting the jacket.
We got
You.
socks. We got denim jeans. We got button-up shirts.
Levi's. And cut.